Good evening.
Good evening.
This is Sanjeev Mathur from VC Media. We are an Indian digital company based out of NCR, Delhi, and we expertise in globally in media coverage of events, exhibitions, meetings, incentive trade shows, and conferences. So we are today here for the coverage of the CPHI event, and we welcome you to India for this exhibition
Thank
and
you.
show. I have with me Mr. Matthew Tronchetti and
Mr. Shubhanand Patil.
Shubhanand Pathak with me. Pathak, who are representing us from Metelco Alupac, and Mr. Trankoti is from Italy, and our young colleague is from Delhi. Now we would like to understand from them as to what they feel about this event and what are their products and what do they feel about the ongoing journey in their product that they are selling. Over to you, sir.
Hello to everyone. I'm Matteo Tronchetti from Italy. We work for Metelco Alupac. We are very lucky to work for a company born from the same family for 4 generations now. We are the 4th generation. 5th generation is coming, growing up. It's quite of a ride work for this company because we are specialized in a very niche market, which is the primary container for sterile API. So when companies make sterile medicine for injection, there are many steps before. There are this powder, which is the active ingredient, which is usually in powder, and need to be stored somewhere. And so we make this very specific and particular container of aluminum to allow this company to stock them and ship them around the world. We are qualified to be used in Europe and in USA, and we also have some patent for very specific treatment of these aluminum cans, these aluminum containers. So we are very proud of working in this company. It's a big opportunity for both of us.
So this aluminum, this product that you're making, where is it manufactured?
We are very lucky. We made them in Italy, close to Florence, actually in Monte Carlo, which is not the Monte Carlo very famous for. Yeah, it's not that one. It's a very small town in Lucca province, which is my hometown. And is strange because is the countryside of Tuscany, and in this countryside we have this high technology company. So it's very strange, but it's very beautiful to work there. We feel very lucky. Well, I feel very lucky, but I know my colleague as well.
Going forward, what is the scope of this market that you foresee in the coming years?
I think this is a lucky sector. I think pharmaceutical field now has a bit contraction after COVID, but this is of course because during COVID there was an incredible expansion. So let's say we are coming back to a normal market, but it's still a growing one. So it's a field where you are lucky. If you work in this field, you don't know the crisis. You don't know crisis. I'm very lucky to be in this field. I think it's one of the few field it will not suffer in the next years. I think the next years are gonna be tough for many fields, not for this one.
So these products range from bottles to big containers.
Yes, not really. Those bottles are just for stability. So let's say when the company want to use the main product, which are these canisters, they are going up to 32 liters. They also have to have some campion, some testing material, and they use the bottles as a test environment. So it's just for stability test. Let's say for 1,000 of those, the big one we sell, maybe one of the small. So the small is just on side for control. Let's say for control. It's not our main business.
That is for quality check also.
Exactly for quality check, but not all quality, but for the material they put inside.
Okay. That material.
For stability test is called.
And this can store, I mean, this can survive in what all temperatures? All temperatures? What makes the
well,
condition for it to be there?
Our canister can survive basically any kind of temperature because it's aluminum, pure aluminum with a 5 micron aluminum oxide outside. The problem is what is inside have a range temperature because it's very delicate material. Is active, the pure active ingredient of medicine. So they have a very strict range of temperature. But about our container, we can go very high. We, in fact, companies that use our canister, they have to sterilize before with high temperature, so we can survive 300, 400 degrees, no problems. But it's required to get the canister need to be sterilized before because what is gonna be put inside is gonna be put inside in a very, oh man, I'm losing my words. I'm sorry. It's not my first language in English, of course. And it's 3 days I'm speaking English, and now I start to be tired. Very sterilized. Okay, all the environment is very sterilized. So also our canister need to be sterilized before to go in the environment where they are filled. And so they are sterilized with high temperature.
And how has
to
been the
up to
response?
300 CT.
How has been the response here?
Well, good over any expectation because India is basically the pharmacy of the world, for sure of the USA, but I would say the world. And there are producers here in India and also in Asia in general, in China, but they are not, at least hope for a long time yet, to our standards. So if they want, and they do often, like a company from India and from Asia, they want to export to USA or Europe, there are just 2 or 3 players, and we are one of the main players for this kind of canister. So it's a very niche market, but we are a big player in this niche market.
Thank you very much
You're
for your
welcome.
precious time. And we hope that when you come next time to this event, you have a lot of growth plans that have already got materialized.
Thank you. We hope so.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.